All right, boys and girls, this is going to be the first POV drive with the CAE Ultra Shifter installed. Let's go for our first drive. The car's already warmed up, but let's put on the driving gloves, shall we? We got to get that full effect. If I can find the other glove. Excuse my car, it's very messy. I literally just finished installing the shifter and the head unit. So I'm so excited. I didn't even clean my car. I just want to go for this first test drive. Okay. It's such a beautiful day outside, thank God. All right. Wow, this feels really nice. Okay. Sport mode engaged, of course. I hope this is a good view. I really do. Okay, let's rock and roll. Got my gauges up there. Oh, that was nice. Make sure there's no cars coming. Wow, it's freaking tight, man. Look at that. Oh. Wow, the downshifts feel really nice. I mean, the shifter is right there. Like, you don't have to reach down to shift. Fourth. Wow, that was beautiful. Down 3. Seamless. It's got a notchy feel to it. A very notchy, heavy feel. Second. I think it's actually easier to downshift with this shifter. I don't know why. It just, so far it feels that way. Like left, right. This is absolutely amazing. I'm totally in love with this thing. Now again, I'm gonna keep this whole area open. I'm not gonna close it. I'm not gonna put the black panels back on. I mean, that's what you're paying $1,200, $1,300 for, you know, like, to get this beautiful artwork. I mean, look at this, the creation of this. Why would you want to cover that? Oh, light's green. Wow. Down 3. Dude, this is amazing. I really like this shifter. Honestly, I mean, I know I've only been driving the car for about a minute, but so far this is my favorite shifter, hands down. So, my Abarth is not my everyday car. So, I don't use this shifter every single day. I don't know if I can use this for every single day. I don't know if I'll be able to tolerate it, because it is, your arm is, you do have to pick up your arm to shift. It is very notchy. It's heavy feeling. But for the times you go racing on the track, in the mountains, or anything like that, this is fantastic. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. All right, we got a right-hand turn coming up. Or not, red light. I was gonna go for it. Wow, this shifter is amazing. It really is. I'm in love, I really am. Now, I would say, I am saying that this is my favorite shifter of all time. I know I just installed it and I've only been driving for a few minutes. I would say this is my favorite shifter, number one. My second favorite shifter is the ADD shifter. And then my third favorite is the Craven Speed. A shifter that's really notchy, really high, and that has a lot of adjustments, this is the one for you. All right, guys, well, there you go. There's the POV drive of the CAE Ultra Shifter. And I gotta give it, if I had more thumbs, I would give it more thumbs. But honestly, I'm in love with this thing. I really am. I'm gonna take a few more days, keep driving around with the car, you know. After about a week, I'll give you like a full review of it, how I truly feel about it. But right now, I'm absolutely in love with this thing. I really, really am. But before I continue to do anything, I gotta clean up this car because it is an absolute mess with tools and everything. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Turbo out.